Hey everyone, and welcome to MedPractice. Are you fascinated by science and have a knack for writing? Ever wondered how medical information gets translated into something we can all understand? Well, today we're diving into the exciting world of medical writing. A career that's both challenging and incredibly rewarding. So, what exactly is medical writing? Simply put, it's the process of creating documents that communicate complex medical and scientific information in a clear, concise, and accurate way. These documents can range from research papers and clinical trial reports to educational materials for patients and marketing content for new drugs. As a medical writer, you'll act as a bridge between the world of complex science and the people who need that information. This could include doctors, researchers, regulatory bodies, or even patients. Why is medical writing so important? Well, think about it. Clear and accurate medical communication is crucial for patient safety, ensuring patients understand their conditions and treatments. Informed decision-making, helping healthcare professionals make the best choices for their patients. Drug approvals, providing regulatory agencies with the necessary information to approve new medications. Advancing research, sharing findings with the scientific community to further medical knowledge. Let's hear from someone who's actually working in this field.
Hi, I'm Medical Writer's Name, and I've been a medical writer for a number of years. I love my job because I get to learn about the latest scientific breakthroughs and play a part in getting important information out there. It's challenging, but, incredibly satisfying to know that my work can make a real difference.
What does a typical day look like for you?
A typical day might involve researching a specific disease or treatment, writing a report or manuscript, collaborating with doctors and scientists, and ensuring that all the information is accurate and compliant with regulations.
Now let's explore the different types of medical writing. The field is quite diverse, with various specializations. Regulatory medical writing focuses on documents for regulatory agencies like the FDA in the United States or EMA in Europe, such as clinical trial reports and drug approval applications. Scientific communication involves writing manuscripts for publication in medical journals, conference presentations, and other materials for sharing research findings. Medical communications creates materials for healthcare professionals, such as marketing materials for pharmaceuticals, training documents, and presentations. And finally, health journalism or medical content writing focuses on writing for a general audience, including patient education materials, website content, and articles for health publications. So, what skills do you need to become a medical writer? Well, here are some key ones to keep in mind. First off, excellent writing skills. This is a given, right? You need to be able to write clearly, concisely, and persuasively. Next up, strong research skills. You'll be dealing with complex scientific information, so you need to know how to find, evaluate, and synthesize data from various sources. Analytical skills are also super important. You need to be able to interpret scientific data and understand the implications of research findings. Communication skills are a must too. You'll often work with people from all sorts of backgrounds: scientists, doctors, regulatory professionals. So being able to communicate effectively is absolutely critical. And of course, attention to detail. Accuracy is paramount in medical writing, so you need to be meticulous and ensure that all information is correct and consistent. Lastly, knowledge of medical terminology and regulations. Familiarity with medical terms, industry guidelines, and regulatory requirements is essential to succeed in this field. What about qualifications? Well, while there isn't just one single path to becoming a medical writer, most professionals in this field have a strong background in a relevant area. This often includes a bachelor's or master's degree in life sciences, pharmacy, or a related field. In some cases, a PhD might be required, especially for roles in regulatory writing or scientific communication. And of course, prior experience in research, healthcare, or even writing is always a big plus. Where can you find medical writing jobs? Well, opportunities exist in a variety of settings, including pharmaceutical companies, medical communication agencies, and contract research organizations, also known as CROs. You can also explore roles in biotechnology companies, medical publishing companies, hospitals, and medical centers, and even government agencies. The career outlook for medical writers is honestly excellent. The demand for clear and accurate medical communication is constantly growing. driven by factors such as the increasing complexity of medical research, the growth of the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries, and the need for patient education and engagement. And what about the salary? Well, medical writing offers a competitive salary, with earning potential increasing as you gain experience and specialize further. So, if you're passionate about science, have a flair for writing, and want a career that truly makes a real impact, medical writing could be the perfect path for you. It's a dynamic field with diverse opportunities and the chance to contribute to the advancement of healthcare and medical knowledge. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to MedPractice for more career insights. And hey, if you have any questions about medical writing, feel free to leave them in the comments below. We'd absolutely love to hear from you.